Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of our unboxing. So this is basically part 2. The first one you'll see in our playlist, and just to recap, this will be the second item that I'll be pulling out from the bag. So just to remind you, this is a collaboration with VIPcrossstitch.com. Without further ado, here we go. Can't wait to show you the next one in the bag. So this has been already opened in the first video. So obviously I did have a sneak preview compared to the first video, but I didn't open the individual bags. I'm leaving it for us now, okay? So here we go. Ooh, look at this one. This is one of the best choices I think I made. So let me find the link so I can show you how it really looks like on their website. See, I am revealing that I am opening it for the first time with you guys. There, you see that tear? There you go. Can't wait to upload this video for you guys. Oh my goodness, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, oh, they've given us 2 needles this time. And it's not the goldy type, it's silver. I like it. I like it. I guess it really depends on the size of your product or your cross stitch pattern. Because this is quite small, I think. As you can see, compared to the thread with the compared to the thread in the first one, the first pattern I showed you, this seems to be less, but still the quality is amazing and it's so nice and long. And we got like 10 colors here. Pretty simple, but very classy. There we go. So once again, here's the nice, elegant and soft thread that they have. We just slowly return it to its former glory. And here, ooh, oh, it's actually big. Ah, I see. Look at that. So we got this. This is the pattern. So it's the size is 450, 40 to 50. Let's see the description here. There you go. So So here it tells you that it is an 11 CTE stamped cross stitch, Jesus, and it's 50 by 40 cm, and it's cheaper than the first item I showed you guys, probably because of the thread content, because there's more thread than the first one, and this is not so much. You don't have so much here, but the outcome, come on guys, the outcome is awesome. Can't wait to show you when I finish this project. So there you go. So this is the legend, and it's also enlarged here, so if you lose that, don't worry, you got it here too. You see, you got here, you're inspired, you got your legend here, slightly shorter than other projects I've done and currently doing, but yeah, you can actually see his eyes here, his nose, his chin, his beard, and the blue would be his hair. So yeah, this is kind of, I think it's going to be easy to do. This is an easier project because there's a lot of color of the same, there's a lot of the pattern itself consists of a lot of the same colors. Like this would just, so easy, so relaxing to do, because you know it's just the same color. So it's a just routine. Yeah, just no worries, you don't have to worry at all. Then this is where it gets a bit more challenging, when you have to change your thread quite a lot. But anyway, it's still nice. It's still nice to do. But I think I'm going to be enjoying this lot here. His hair. His hair is quite nice. There you go. So just going to show you nicely. There you go. There we go. So there we go. That's it. Alright, so let me just fold that. And again, very beautiful, very elegant, and I chose this not only because it fits the budget perfectly, but because I found it really nice and elegant to do. So there we go. I think I'm gonna stop this video so I can edit this, and then we'll proceed to the last item in this lovely collaboration. All right, so I'll see you soon, guys.